Welcome to the UEB Online Accessible Braille Training video tutorial series. This video tutorial covers the steps for purchasing a competency exam. On the screen at the moment is the UEB Online user dashboard, and towards the bottom of that screen is a tile or section titled UEB Literary Competency Exam. And within that tile, there's a purchase button. To purchase the competency exam, you click the purchase button. If you haven't completed a competency exam before, or a UEB online training course, then you will be taken to a page to complete a keyboard test. This ensures that you have the correct hardware capable of completing an exam prior to purchasing the exam. To complete the keyboard test, you simply type in the 10 consecutive dots, and at that point you will be redirected to the introduction page of the competency exam you are purchasing. In this case, I'm purchasing the UEB Literary Competency Exam, and what's shown on the screen are the instructions for that exam. It details information about what the exam content is, the times for completing the exam, how the marking and grading works, and the available resits that are on the exam. We strongly recommend that you read this information in detail before purchasing the exam. After you have read all of this information, at the bottom there's a checkbox which says you accept the information described above and the terms and conditions of completing the exam. There is a link on the screen called Terms and Conditions, which if you press on will bring up a pop-up showing you or explaining to you what the terms and conditions of the exam are. When you tick the box, the purchase form will be shown, allowing you to complete your purchase. Shown on the screen now is the purchase form. Your first and last name will be pre-filled in the form. You will need to complete your credit card number, the expiration date and year, the security code for your number, and your cardholder name. We also ask for your country to help us for statistical purposes and identifying any issues in your payment. We do not keep your credit card numbers. They are only used for this purchase transaction. Hence, every time you purchase an exam or a certificate in the training program, you will need to re-enter this information. I have now pre-filled that form, and by pressing the Purchase Exam button, we'll proceed with the purchase. After purchasing the exam, you'll be redirected to a page which allows you to begin the relevant parts of the exam you have purchased. Note that in a literary exam there are two parts, part A and B. In a mathematics exam there is only one part, so there will only be one button here. Refer to the other tutorials in our video tutorial series for the steps involved in completing the relevant literary and mathematics exams. Thank you.